Githiururi kiria kigumeire itanya ria wakiri uria no muteti Miguna gucoka guku bururi-ini riu ni gicokire igoti-ini o ringi. Wakiri wake Dr. John Haminwa agietha gutaririo gitumi kia Miguna gwikirirwo mihiga na mbere ya mucirithania Weldon Korir. Haminwa na wakiri wa thirikari Christopher Marwa ni monekanire kugia na ngurani ya no urahingica Miguna itanya-ini riake ria gucoka guku bururi-ini.
The petitioner was not able to travel because of this creature referred to as red alert.
We do not know why he has not been able to travel, why he's not in Kenya. It is up to him. He's an adult.
Miguna aratanyitwo gukinya guku bururi-ini muthenya wa ira kuma bururi-ini wa Canada kuria athire riuriro thutha wa kuhamurithio mwaka-ini wa 2018 na ararutururirwo ndege-ini igiri ari bururi-ini wa Jeremani na Faraja. Wakiri wake riu akiuga ati thirikari niyo ibatie kurugamirira ngarama yothe yake gukinya guku.
It is the responsibility of all the respondents to ensure that the petitioner has returned to the country.
There is no document that has been filed in this court, sworn on oath, detailing the reasons or allegations that it is the government of Kenya that is behind the problems that Miguna is facing.
Thirikari kugerera ndumiriri iri erekereirio ni mwaria wayo Cyrus Oguna yugite ati ndigirireirie Miguna kuingira guku bururi-ini no kurumirira gicanjama kiria kiaumirire kiharo-ini kia JKIA mwaka-ini wa 2018 ni giacungiriirie we andikithio ari ta muthii wa gitango na ati thirikari ndiagite gutia watho wa igoti. Indi Miguna ni aregire gwetha passport ta uria oritio na uguo kurituhia rugendo rwake.
Application to be heard before the recess due to charge on 10th of January this year, that is on Friday. For avoidance of doubts, the orders issued on 6th of January this year.
Gicanjama giki kia Miguna gikiguciriria urugani muingi kuma kuri amwe a atongoria na mubunge wa Gatundu ya Muhuro Moses Kuria agikuruhania mutongoria wa mung'ethaniro Raila Odinga na mathina maria magomeire Miguna.
The ODM side of this informal coalition is not going to let Miguna come back to this country.
Maya mothe makihanika Miguna arauga ati we ndaragwagwa na ati no gugukia muthenya umwe na aingire guku bururi-ini. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV ritwa riakwa ni Kimani Wangũnjiri.